In this video we will go through unboxing, pairing and setting the schedule on the Milano Connect Backlit Thermostat. The product consists of the following items: one user guide, the Backlit Thermostat, and beneath that we have an external temperature probe if being used in conjunction with underfloor heating, and a fixing pack. We recommend installation by a qualified electrician. Add the thermostat to your smart device, press and hold the power button, and then press the up button. This will put the device into pairing mode. Open the eCorso app on your smart device, click the Add Device button, and when it appears, press the thermostat. Enter your Wi-Fi information, ensuring that you are on a 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi connection. Once pairing is complete, click Done. To set a schedule, open the eCorso app and select the Wi-Fi thermostat. Click on the settings icon and then the weekly program button. You'll then be presented with a list which shows the days of the week, Monday through to Sunday, as well as 4 settable periods on each day. Next, select the first period and choose the time you wish for the thermostat to operate. Now select your target room temperature for that time period. Then click the Save button. Next, click into the second period and set your second time. This might be the time that you want the thermostat to work at a reduced room temperature. Select the temperature, then press Confirm and click Save. You would then continue for any other periods of time you wish to set for the remainder of the day. To have the same schedule repeat over several days, press and hold the currently selected day until the pop-up appears, and then select which days you would like it to repeat on, followed by the Confirm button. Once you're happy with the set schedule, simply press the back button to return to the main menu.